Hanging out with my wife, Latasha Johnson, the realtor here at DFW. Actually in the Dallas Fort Worth area today, and I'm just hanging out with her. She's showing a property, and they brought in this young family, got 3 kids. They are absolutely in love with this place. They have already started pretending like they're brushing their teeth in the mirrors of the bathrooms. They're looking at the entertainment room, pretending that they're watching movies. So they've already gotten emotionally attached. And so you, as a head of household out there, if you're looking to move your family into a house, make sure you get pre-approved first. It's super critical that you know what your buying power is, how much you can afford. Are you in a position to make an offer right away? So get pre-approved before you even reach out to your realtor. If you need a realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, connect with my wife, Latasha Johnson. I'll tag her on this post. But it's just very important that you get pre-approval first. And if you find that credit is a challenge, reach out to me. I'm a certified credit consultant, and I've helped dozens of people get their credit up so that they can get approved for a purchase of a home. So have a wonderful Sunday.